Yeah, hey there, Paul Wilson here from freedomtraderpro.com. Now in this video today I wanted to talk about how to avoid losing all your money in iMarketsLive, as in blowing your account or whatever you want to call it, okay? How to avoid over leveraging, over trading, letting your mind mess with things and just doing stupid stuff, and basically letting your account go down to zero. Now I just wanted to cover a couple of things in this video which hopefully will help you get what you need in place in order to avoid blowing your account and losing all your money. Now there's a couple of things, okay? Now firstly, you need to have, I can't even spell this morning, let me just get this right. You need to have the correct mindset, okay? Because if you let the trade, if you get emotional over the trades, if you lose a trade, and get emotional about it, you end up doing stupid stuff, taking trades that maybe weren't 100% aligned with what you're doing, or the strategy that you're using, and then potentially you end up losing that trade as well. So you need to don't let your mind take over. If you lose a trade, as long as you've got the correct risk management, which I'm going to talk about in a second, in place, there's no need to get emotional over any trades that you lose. So that takes me on to the second point, which is the risk management. Okay? So risk management is basically only ever risking a percentage of your account on any one trade. Now personally, the maximum I ever risk on any trade is 3%. I don't risk any more than that. If you start risking 5, 10%, your account can start diminishing extremely quickly. If you lose a couple of trades in a row and you're risking maybe 5 or 10%, that's a big chunk of your account gone. So only ever risk 3% max is what I do. Okay. Sorry, my writing is not the neatest, but there we go. As I say, if you get your mindset in the right place, don't get emotional about the trades, have the correct risk management in place, which is also going to help manage your mindset, then you're going to be in a lot better place, and hopefully not be in a position where you're going to blow your account and lose all your money. Now the thing that you need to do on every single trade is use what's called a lot size calculator, so that you avoid putting in the wrong lot size and risking basically more than you should. Now I use a lot size calculator. It's an app. I've got it on my iPhone. I think you can get it for Android also. It's called MyFX Book. It's got a calculator in there, and basically you just put in the currency pair, the percentage risk of what you want to put on your account. So maybe if you're just starting out, you might want to risk 1%. I know for me, I did a lot of stuff on demo accounts. I've blown demo accounts. I've done some stupid stuff on live accounts also. But what I found for me was I didn't really learn properly until I was playing with real money. I mean, it's all well and good having a demo account, and I know you should treat it the same as a live account, but my mind just said it was a demo account, and I just did stupid stuff in the demo account. Once I started playing with live real money in a real account, that's when kind of things really changed around for me. But if you're going to do that and you're going to kind of play with a real account, make sure you're playing with a small amount of money that you can afford to lose, and use maybe a 1% risk or something. But for me, it definitely helped. Yes, I lost money on a real account, but it has helped me. It has helped me get my head in the right place. And I'm not suggesting that you do this on a real account. I'm just saying what worked for me. So anyway, you put your currency pair in the calculator, you put your percentage risk in, and you put your stop loss, which will be the number of pips. Depending what strategy you're using, depending what kind of trading you're doing, might be 10 pips, 20 pips, 50 pips, whatever it is. Obviously, the more pips you've got on your stop loss, the lower the lot size you're going to be putting on to keep your 3% risk, okay? Now, as I say, don't over leverage the account. Don't risk more than 3%. Once you start doing that, as I say, if you win, it's all well and good. If you lose, it becomes very emotional. Your account can start disappearing very, very quickly. Now, as I say, all of this is taught in the IML Academy. Obviously, you can find out more about all of this, but you know, stick to this. Stick to the risk management. That will help with your mindset. Try not to get emotional over the trades. I know it's very difficult, certainly to begin with. Certainly, you know, I still get emotional over some of my trades, but I'm actually, you know, I'm getting better with this stuff. You know, you just got to think, if you lose a trade, no big deal. There's always another trade, okay? Now, don't jump into the wrong trade because you've lost a trade to try and get your money back. So as long as you follow the rules, you don't break the rules, you stick with your 3%, you've got a trading plan, a strategy that you're using, you know, you're going to be absolutely fine. It's only when you start breaking the rules that you're going to run into problems. As I say, that's it for this quick video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button so you're notified when I upload new videos, and I will talk to you guys again real soon. Take care.